Hi guys, I'm your teacher Luke, and today I'm back with another grammar tip for you. And today it's all about because, as, and since. Do these have the same meaning? Yeah, kinda, but they are not used in exactly the same way. So let's talk about them. Because, as, and since are used to link ideas together. Specifically, they are used to link the result of something with its reason. For example, I'm angry at you because you read my emails. I hope John comes to the party as I have something to tell him. This shirt is really expensive since it's made of silk. Because. Because is the most common one. We use because when we want to focus on the reason. For example, I'm hungry because I skipped lunch. The focus on this sentence is on the reason. I skipped lunch. We can put because at the beginning of a sentence when we want to give extra focus to the reason. Just like this. Because I ran out of milk, I couldn't eat my cereal. Here, the extra focus is on I ran out of milk. Notice here that when we put the because clause at the beginning of the sentence, we need to use a comma when we're writing. Also, when we're speaking quickly, we can shorten because to cause. I'm hungry cause I skipped lunch. Cause I ran out of milk, I couldn't eat my cereal. As and since. As and since are more formal than because, and we use as and since to focus more on the result rather than the reason. For example, we should go home as it's getting late. I think I'll stay home and watch a film since it's raining. These sentences put more focus on the result rather than the reason. It's more common to use as and since at the beginning of a sentence. But again, don't forget to use a comma. Just like this. As it's getting late, we should go home. Since it's raining, I think I'll stay home and watch a film. Questions. Lastly, when you're asking questions that suggest a reason, it's more common to use because. For example, are you tired because you went to bed late? Do you have a stomachache because you finished all the ice cream? Okay, to sum up. Because, as, and since are used to link the result of something with its reason. Because is the most common, and it's used to focus on the reason. As and since focus more on the result. They are more formal, and they often go at the beginning of a sentence. For questions that suggest a reason, use because. Okay, that's it. As I finish this lesson, I'm gonna go and get a coffee. Thank you. See you next time.